the excitement and the passion never stops, believe it or not. I'm a real sucker for this industry. I've been in it all my life, literally since I was a little kid, and really never kind of looked anywhere else. Even through high school and college and everything, music was such a big part of my life, electronics and all that. I
Yeah.
did sales, did design, some engineering. I don't have an engineering degree, but I learned quite a bit to really help embrace myself to the things I did not know to make myself more engaged in into the industry.
Yeah.
But the passion is just being able to create. This is a form of art, you know. I mean, and really supportive of the arts itself. So there's nothing more than I'd rather do. I sound like a complete sucker for it, but that's me,
No.
you
No.
know.
You need something when we get up in the morning, right? Or having that
That's
need,
right.
right? That excites you and have challenges. I think if everything was just the same,
Yeah.
it wouldn't fit me, right? So
No,
that's just, yeah.
you are absolutely right. I agree with you.
Nice. Okay, so you have a long career. We can't get around that one. So, what made you decide to take the risk of building your own company?
That's the question, the risk. So when you look at it,
Yeah.
I've been in businesses. I worked my way up to C-level, positions in companies and large companies, and there is a risk of losing that job tomorrow.
Yeah.
There's a risk of that company going out
Yeah.
of business tomorrow. So really taking the risk to doing something on my own really it wasn't something I even fought with internally. It was just, you know what, why not? Because
Yeah.
who better determine your own future, your own outlook than yourself,
Yeah.
So to me, it really wasn't a risk. It was really it was exciting because this is something that you've already had the passion to do,
Yeah.
but really to make it come to fruition and build something that's solid and tangible that you are in control of. I can't honestly think of anything better. I'd rather be that way. So not a big risk, a lot of
Okay.
excitement, a lot of challenges. There's
Yeah.
up and downs. There's
Oh, yeah.
you have your windfalls and your setbacks. Yeah, I mean, but
Yeah.
it's no different than anything. So to me, it really wasn't a huge risk. It was a huge leap of faith,
Yeah.
but it's well worth it no matter what. Whether you have a
Uh,
bad day or a good day, I
yeah.
think that it's really worth the risk, I guess.
Oh, it's nice, nice. So when
Yeah.
you're looking back, right, is there anything where you're saying, okay, I thought this was going to be really difficult and then it was actually much easier? Any example you can share?
Not a single one. No, I can't. I can't look back and say, "Oh, I thought this was going to be much easier." No, it's not even easier to pay myself. I guess I would say. I guess it's easier to pay myself, but no, nothing looking back is going to be easier if it's your own.
Yeah.
You have to stay so committed
Yeah.
and so attached and engaged. And this is not like an 8 hour a day job or
No.
this is an all day every day kind of job. So no, I couldn't say there was anything easier, not at all, not at all. No way.
No way.